Chapter 3 Division. Division means equal sharing. Let's divide 9 books equally among 3 girls. There are 9 storybooks in a class shelf. The teacher wants to divide the books equally among 3 girls. At first, the teacher gave 1 book to each girl and then she counts the remaining books. There are 6 books left. From these, the teacher again gives 1 book to each girl and then the books left with the teacher is 3. She gives 1 more book to each girl. Now no books are left with her. Thus 9 books have been divided into 3 equal parts. Each girl gets 3 books. We write this as 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. This is the symbol for division. Division as forming sets. Let's take 15 apples and divide them into sets of 3 apples each. It is clear from the above picture that when we divide 15 apples into sets of 3 each, we get 5 sets. Hence, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Division as repeated subtraction. Division means equal distribution of things. When we divide a bigger number by a smaller number, we find out how many times we can subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Suppose we have to divide 8 by 2. 8 divided by 2 means we have to find out how many 2's are there in 8. Let's take 8 balls. Go on separating 2 balls as shown below. For separating 2 balls for the first time, we subtract as follows. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. For separating 2 balls for the second time, we repeat the procedure as follows. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. For separating 2 balls for the third time, we go on as follows. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. For separating 2 balls for the fourth time, we finally subtract as follows. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Count the number of times 2 has been subtracted to reach 0. We have subtracted 2 4 times from 8 to arrive at 0. Thus, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Division and multiplication facts. Division is the opposite of multiplication. So, we can write 2 division facts for each multiplication fact. The division facts for 6 into 5 is equal to 30 are 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Multiplication facts. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. Division facts. 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Multiplication facts. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. Division facts. 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. Properties of division. Let's divide 5 dolls among 5 girls. Every girl gets 1 doll. We write it as 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. When a number is divided by itself, the answer is 1. Let's divide 5 dolls among 1 girl. She gets all the dolls. We write it as 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. When a number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. When there is no doll to divide among 5 girls, no girl would get any doll. We write it as 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. When 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. Division using multiplication tables. In a division sum, the number we divide is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. The answer we get after division is called quotient. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6. Dividend. 2. Divisor. 3. Quotient. Example. Divide 30 by 5. What number would be multiplied with 5 to get 30? Let's say the multiplication table of 5 till we reach 30. We find that 5 sixes are 30. Therefore, 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Hence, the answer is 6. Another method of division. Let's divide 45 by 9. Step 1. Put the numbers in division form as shown below. Step 2. Say the table of 9 till you reach 45. 9 fives are 45. Write 45 below 45. 45 ones divided by 9 ones is equal to 5 ones. Write 5 in ones place and the quotient. Step 3. Subtract 45 from 45 to get 0. Here, dividend is equal to 45. Divisor is equal to 9 and quotient is equal to 5. Long division method. Divide 72 by 3. Let's learn the division of numbers using the long division method. Step 1. Here, 7 is greater than 3. So, instead of dividing 72 by 3, first divide 7 by 3. 3 twos make 6. Write 6 below 7 and subtract. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Step 2. Bring down the next number, which is 2. Step 3. Now divide 12 by 3. Note that 3 fours make 12. Write 12 below 12 and subtract. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Hence, 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. Dividing with a remainder. Let's divide 10 books among 3 children. 10 divided by 3. Every child gets 3 books. We are left with 1 book after distributing books among 3 children. Undistributed things or the number left is called remainder. Let's divide 93 by 4 by long division. In this division sum, quotient is equal to 23 and the remainder is equal to 1. Statement sums. Sheba has 45 toffees. She distributes them among her 5 friends. How many toffees does each friend get? Number of toffees is equal to 45. Number of friends is equal to 5. Number of toffees each friend gets is equal to 45 divided by 5. That is 9 toffees.